Hi, I'm Praveen. Today I'm going to discuss about the Node.js interview questions. What is Node.js and how does it differ from the other server-side technologies like Apache and PHP? Node.js is a runtime environment that allows to run JavaScript code in server-side. It uses the V8 engine to execute the JavaScript code. Node.js is designed to build scalable network applications focusing on the asynchronous event driven programming. Apache is a website server software that processes HTTP requests and serves web pages to users. It typically runs in a multi-threaded architecture where each request is handled by separate thread. PHP is a server-side scripting language designed for web development but also used to general purpose. PHP code is executed on the server and the result is returned to the client as a plain HTML file. Second question: what is callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? Callback function is a function passed into another function as an argument, which is executed after the completion of first functions. Asynchronous programming. In Node.js, many operations are IO bound and can take time to complete. Instead of waiting for the other operations to finish, Node.js uses the callback function to handle these tasks. The third question is, what is the purpose of package.json file in Node.js project? Explain the key properties found in the file. Package.json package.json file serves an manifest for the Node.js project. It provides database about project and including project name, version, description, main file, and script. Fourth question: what is the difference between the require and import function statements in Node.js? When and why would you see one over the another? Require is used to common JS modules, which is default module system in Node.js. It is it is synchronous and can be called anywhere in the code. Import is used as ES modules, which is newer standard for Node.js modules. It is asynchronous and must be used at the top of the file. What is the middleware in context of Express.js? Can you give an example of how would you middleware in Express application? Middleware is a function that executes during the request response cycle in an Express.js file. It can perform tasks such as logging, authentication, phrasing request bodies, and handling errors. Middleware functions have access to the request object, response object, and as a middleware object. The sixth question is, what is RESTful API and can we create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain with HTTP HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. A RESTful API is an architectural style for designing a network applications. It uses standard HTTP methods and is stateless, meaning each request from the client contains all the information needed to the process the request. Process the request. HTTP methods: get to receive data, post to send data, put update data, delete, remove, Remove the resource from the resources from the server. Create. It is used to create the RESTful APIs with Node.js and Express.js. 7. What is the purpose of Node Package Manager (NPM) and how do you use it in managing dependencies on Node.js project? NPM is a package manager for Node.js. It allows the developer to install, share, and manage packages. Managing dependencies. To add dependencies, npm install package of JSON package name. This installs the package. To add development dependencies, npm install package name save space dev. To remove a dependency, npm uninstall package name. This removes the package and it refers from the package or JSON. To install all dependencies listed in the package or JSON, npm install. And the last question is, what is the important to hash for passwords in web applications? Hashing passwords is a crucial for security. When passwords are hashed, they are transformed into a fixed length that cannot be easily reversed. This means even if a attacker gains access to the database, they won't be able to read the actual password. A reason for hashing: protection against the data branches. Even if the database is compromised, hashed passwords are not easily usable. Defense against the brute force attacks. Proper hashing algorithms are designed to complementary expenses, making it difficult to crack passwords through brute force. Salting, adding a unique value or salt to add to each password before hashing. That identical passwords have different hash values, protecting against the rainbow table attacks. Thank you.